Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys 3 Series and you're trying to remove or replace your Serpentine belt tensioner. Stay with us and we'll cover everything from start to finish. We'll demonstrate on 6-cylinder engine, but it will actually help you guys on 4-cylinder engines, gasoline and diesel engines as well. The procedure will be very similar. Your tensioner may look a little bit different, but we will explain guys what to look for and what needs to be done. It doesn't matter which engine you have to first remove the belt, then remove the tensioner, and there is one very important thing that we need to mention, so make sure you stand till the end so you don't mess up your engine guys. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on BMW 3 Series, even more. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you. Now, if you need to buy a new tensioner, parts, tools, anything like that guys, check out the links. We'll have them shared in the description of the video below for your convenience. Also, we have another channel that's called Electrical Car Repair Life, where you can find quite helpful information for BMW 3 Series guys, diagnostics, engine codes, relays, fuses and all that stuff. So please guys subscribe. Okay, our mission, as I said, is just to save you money guys. Now, this engine is the N52 engine. It can be found in BMW 323, 325, 328, 330 guys, and the N54 I think it's based on this engine, which is a 335, and it will be almost the same as well. But now guys, doesn't matter if you have a 4-cylinder 316, 318, 320 BMW on the front, you will have your Serpentine belt right here on the front of your engine. Usually you will have your radiator fan, and the radiators will be right here. You don't need to remove any of that. But if you have the fan on, and you're trying to remove the belt and install the belt later, because you need to do that to replace the tensioner, that fan can activate and cut your fingers off. So what I would recommend guys, disconnect the car battery, number 1, before you start working on the car. Number 2, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first guys. Otherwise you can cause problem to the electrical system, engine, computer, and it can cause guys quite a bit of damage. So we have a video, and I'll share the link in the description of the video below that explains all about that, how to disconnect battery on a modern car. With that being said, you need to locate your tensioner guys. It will look something like that. You will have a pulley on it, and it will have kind of like an arm sticking out, because that tensioner moves left and right. Ours actually puts tension to the right. So in order to remove the belt, we need to install a tool. In our case it's Torx 60 tool. It may be a 16mm socket or another socket guys, and we're going to go clockwise. It has quite a bit of tension. So we remove the belt like that. Now this bolt right here guys, that's the bolt that we're talking about. This is supposed to be aluminum bolt, and it will look kind of like these ones on the alternator. And these bolts guys, yours will be more like the power steering pump as well. These bolts, you're supposed to guys actually replace them every time you remove them. Now this is not aluminum bolt. This is a bolt that somebody else installed, and I hate that thing because that can mess your engine block, and you may not be able to remove it guys correctly. So what I'll recommend, just get a new bolt guys every time you replace the tensioner. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can do that, where you can find the bolt, tensioner and all that stuff. I'll hold the tensioner so we don't have any tension on the bolt, and this is the bolt guys. Right here you can see whoever installed that bolt, I don't even know how they did that guys, but that's how you guys remove it. Now, symptoms of a tensioner that's going bad, the pulley guys will develop a play, and not only that, I'm trying to just create the noise here, but we keep dropping tools. So let's spin the pulley now. You can hear guys, that pulley is gone. It has play. That spring on the back, it can actually guys get weak, and it may not put enough tension on the belt, and sometimes they even break. So hopefully guys, video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. All we have to do later, install new bolt, new tensioner, and install your Serpentine belt, which will be a different procedure, different belt diagram for every engine. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.